So let's close our eyes. Make sure you're comfortable. See if you can get 5 or 10% more comfortable. And just sit with purpose. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. Put your imaginary crown on. And just start to notice your breath. Be aware as your breath comes in and out. Just slow down your brain waves, relax your nervous system. In this very present moment, all is well. And now inhale for 5, we'll hold for 7 and exhale for 8. In for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold at the top for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And gently exhale for 8. Inhale for 5. Hold at the top for 7. And gently exhale for 8. Inhale for 5. Hold at the top for 7. And exhale for 8 and let it all out. And as you sit here, just notice that you are worthy and capable of anything you desire. Love, happiness, wealth, health, peace, inner healing. Whatever it is that you desire, our first step here is to get clear on what you intend to manifest. Get very clear right now what it is that you desire. And once you have that vision, now it's time to see it, taste it, feel it through your whole body and believe that it's already here. The body doesn't know the difference if it's here or in your mind. So when we feel the feelings of it being here now, our body thinks it's real. What would it feel like to have this now? How would this person act who has this now? Feel it through your whole body. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, every cell is vibrating at this level. Crystal clear image, and feeling the feelings. And put the emotion behind it of having this. What sensation would you feel? Would there be a light smile on your face? Would you feel lighter? And the next step is to take action. What will your action plan be? What are some steps you can do this week to make this happen? Today, right after this meditation, what can you do? A small step to move the needle towards this dream. And as you're acting as the person who would have this, now I want you to feel gratitude. Gratitude that this is yours. Feel gratitude through your whole body. Feeling gratitude. And one more time, crystal clear, what it is you're manifesting. How would that feel? What is something you will do today? And feel grateful. And now, the last step is to breathe in and just let it go. This is where you trust. You detach from the outcome. You detach from the how. And you just allow. When you believe that everything you desire already exists, you're in a natural state of surrender. And with this energetic feeling through the body of good vibes and acting as if it's here, repeat these affirmations out loud or in your mind. I am connected to the abundant universe. Infinite potential is always flowing. Unconditional love is always flowing. I raise my vibration to match my desires. I see that I am limitless. All my needs are met. I am so grateful. I believe it, and so I see it. It truly is amazing to live this life. I am blessed. And for one last moment, turn within and take one more deep inhale and exhale. And when you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Come back to this moment and know that there's some amazing things awaiting you today.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening and see you very soon.